Good morning, student. Today we start our next lesson, plants structure and function. Plant structure and function. Now tell me the which one the different part of the plants. Five main part of the plants. Yes, very good. The root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, we see here the root, stem, flowers, fruits. These one the different plants. Different plants are different. We can identify plants with the help of these different characteristics. Now in this lesson we will see the more information about each and the every part of the plant. The first part, this one, root. Okay, see here how this one root form. Now see student, means in a farm we sowing the seed. That time what happen, means which one the seed is there, this one growing two parts. One is plumule and the next one is radicle. One is plumule and the next one is radicle. Okay, means which one the plumule is there, means suppose this one the seed, then which one the plumule is there, this one grow means upward direction, this one grow upward direction, means from the soil this one plumule go upward direction. And which one the radicle is there, this one grow downward direction, the radicle this one grow downward direction. Then this one plumule means it is said to be the stem. Afterwards this one convert into the stem, means this one the stem green part. And which one the radicle is there, this one grow downward, means on that one formation of root is happen. Formation of root is happen. All of you understood? Means seeds grow in two part. Which one the two part? Plumule and radicle. Plumule and radicle. Which one the plumule is there, this one grow upward direction, this one grow upward direction. And which one the radicle is there, radicle grow downward direction, radicle grow downward direction, means inside the soil. Okay, understood? And then on that one the radicle, the formation of root is happen, the formation of root is happen. Now see what is the function of the root. Yes, correct, to absorb minerals and water from the soil, to absorb minerals and water from the soil, means underground where this one root get the water, from that direction only the growth of root is happen, from that one direction only the growth of root is happen. Then these one roots are two types roots are there. One is a tap root, see here, one is a tap root and another one is a fibrous root, another one is a fibrous root. Okay, see student, means the root that form from the radicle, root form from the radicle grows into the ground, grows into the ground and they grow inside the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually tapers to a pointed end. Means see here, this one, here the root are thick. Okay, means this one thick near the ground. Means if we are digging that one the soil, if any plant, then we see this one part is a thicker one and downward side what happen, this one become the taper, this one become taper or the pointed one. Okay, this part of the plant growing below the soil for support is called root and that part is said to be the root. Now see which one the different part of the root. The first one is root cap, then root tip, root hair, then you see primary root, secondary root as well as tertiary root is also there. Now see which one the root cap is there. Root cap give protection to the root tip. Means this one the main part. This one grow inside the soil, and on that one what is their root cap. Likewise in a summer days we also wear the cap, correct? Means this one cap give protection from the sunlight to us. Likewise, which one the root cap is there, this one root cap give protection to the root tip, to the root tip. And that's why due to that one the root cap, this one root tip not become injure, and growth of plant happen properly, correct? And the main function of that one the root also means they absorb the water and minerals from the soil, as well as give support to the plant, all of you understood? Okay, see now here, if you are see the roots of the any plant, on that one a small hair like structure is there, it is said to be the root hair, hairs. Okay, see means here this one the thick part is there, and this one become the what, means this one tapers towards the pointed end. Okay, then this main, it is said to be the main root, means primary root. Which one the main part is there, it is said to be the primary root. And on the primary root, which one roots are grow, it is said to be the secondary root, on some plant what happen, on secondary root again some roots are formed, it is said to be the tertiary root, understood? Means this one roots are there, this one again differentiated into means three types roots. Primary, this one the main root, it is said to be the primary root. On that one which one roots are grow, it is said to be the secondary root. And on secondary root which one roots are grow, it is said to be the tertiary root, understood? See, then this one root cap, we see the root cap is here. What is the function of root cap? To give protection to the root tip and another part of the roots. Okay, to give the protection to the root tip and another part of roots, understood? This is the main function of root cap, and this root means which one the root is differentiated into primary root, secondary root and tertiary root. That root is said to be the tap root, and such a type of root we can see in the dicotyledonous plant. What is mean by the dicotyledon plants? Means which one the seed, means which plant seed or which seed, this one differentiated into the two equal part, such a type of plants is said to be the dicotyledonous plant. Means suppose this one seed is there, and this one means differentiated into two equal part, it is said to be the dicotyledonous plant. Means where we can see the taproot system in a dicotyledon plant, understood? Now see the next one is a fibrous root. See here, then this one fibrous roots are there. This one the thread like or fiber like roots arising from the stem. Thread like or fiber like roots arising from the stem, it is said to be the fibrous root. and such a type of root we can see in a monocotyledon plant. Such a type of roots we can see in a monocotyledonous plant, means the seed of that plant cannot differentiated into two equal parts. Example, maize. The maize seed is there, this one we cannot differentiate it into the two equal part. But if you are seeing this one, the groundnut seed, this one easily differentiated into the two equal part. Maize is there, jawar is there, bajra is there. This is the monocotyledon. This one plant, it is the monocotyledonous plant. Understood? See, means sometime what happen, means this one the fibrous roots are there in some plant. This one roots grow just above the soil, just below the soil, means stem just above the soil. The latter, this is said to be the adventitious root. That root is said to be the adventitious root, means stem के immediately नीचे जो grow होते हैं, that is said to be the adventitious root. That root is said to be the adventitious root. Understood? And the normal function of that one, the root, this one, absorption of water and minerals and anchoring and supporting the plants. Anchoring and supporting the plants. Understood? Then see, root performs some other function also. Root performs some other function also. Then we see the some modified roots are also there. Some modified roots are also there. In that one, see here, some modified roots are aerial roots, stellate root, runners, breathing root. It is said to be the pneumatophores. Means which one the modified roots? Aerial root. Aerial root means which one the aerial roots are there. This one we cannot see such a type of root inside the soil. Such a type of root we can see, means this one hanging on the plant. Hanging on the plant. It is said to be the aerial root. Then stellate root. Stellate root. Some means aquatic plant is there. This one aquatic plant having the stellate root. Then runners are also there. Okay, we can see that one aquatic plant also. We see this one means runners are also there. Money plant, we can see this one the roots also appear, means just below the, means this one leaves are there. Money plants means just below there only the roots formation are happen. Okay, this one also the one type of runners. Then breathing roots, it is said to be the pneumatophores. Means breathing root means what children see, means in some region more water is there. In some region more water is there. That's why what happen, means this one plants also not get the air. In that one, means in Marathi we are saying dal. Okay, means totally mud are there, and that's why means plant not get the proper air. Plant not get the proper air. That time what happen, in means where we can say the more water is there and totally all side mud is there, and in that one place which one plants are grow, means there what happen, which one the roots are there, means generally this one roots grow inside the soil. Generally root grow the inside the soil. That time what happen, means suppose see this one the land, and here this one the roots are there. Okay, here this one roots are there, this one roots are growing, and here suppose this one plants are grow. Okay, then what happen, which one the roots are there, it is said to be the breathing root. This one roots for taking air, this one roots again grow towards, means upward direction. Here only this one roots grow upward direction. Understood? For taking the air, for taking the air. Likewise this one, it is said to be the pneumatophores. It is said to be the pneumatophores. force. Means which one the roots they grow inside the soil. Again for taking the air, they again grow upward direction. They again grow upward direction. And here this one likewise small structure is there, means spore like structure is there. It is said to be the pneumatophores. And due means likewise they get air. Likewise they get air, means again they come outside and for getting the air. Okay, that's why such a type of root it is said to be the breathing root. Such a type of root is said to be the breathing root, or it is said to be the pneumatophores. It is said to be the pneumatophores. All of you understood? Then see, do you know roots emerging from the trunk and branches of a banyan tree? Okay, means which one the banyan tree is there? In Marathi वडाचे झाड. Means from the trunk, means त्याच्या ज्या फांद्या वगैरे जे असतात. Okay, from that one side what happen, the branches of the banyan tree grow towards the soil. This one roots grow from that one the branches or the trunk of the tree. These roots are called prop roots. These roots are called prop root. Understood? Means they give support to that plant as like a pillar. These one roots give support to that one the plant, because you know very well this one the banyan tree is a big one, correct? And this one root, it is said to be the prop root. They give support to that one the plant as like pillar. मीन्स घर बनाने के लिए, घर बनाने से पहले हम जैसे पिलर खड़े करते हैं, लाइकवाइज दिस वन पिलर इज देयर एंड एज अ पिलर दे गिव सपोर्ट टू दैट वन प्लांट. What could be the use of these prop roots? It is in the beginning the banyan tree has very few prop roots, but later on their number increased so much that it appears like a small forest. Means see, one banyan tree is there, means before what happened in the beginning, this one the very few prop roots are there, but afterward what happened, this one number increase. Okay, and this one tree only look like a small forest due to that one the prop root. In Kolkata, a 250 years old banyan tree in the Indian Botanical Garden. Means in Kolkata botanical garden is there. Botanical garden means what? In that one means many different kinds of plants are there. Covers a very large area. Okay, and what is the age of that one tree? This one the 250 years. Now this one the increase. Okay, it is supported by thousands of prop root. And how many roots are there? Prop roots 1000. Is there any such a tree in your neighborhood? Means likewise any tree is there in our neighborhood. See, in our Rapa Sabni school also the one banyan tree is there. This one also having the many prop roots. This one also having the many prop roots. Understood? See, today we see this one. We start the new lesson, plants structure and function. In that one we see how that one the roots formation are happen from the seed. Means one part of the seed, this one grow upward direction, and this one having afterwards stems, leaves, correct? And one part this one grow downward direction. The upward part it is said to be the plumule. Upward part it is said to be the plumule, and downward part it is said to be the radicle. Downward part it is said to be the radicle, correct? And on the radicle the roots are formed. On the radicle the roots are formed. Then in that one we see the two types of roots are there. One is a tap root and another one is a fibrous root. One is a tap root and the another one is a fibrous root. Means the tap root, this one means which one plant having the taproot system? Dicotyledon. And the monocotyledon plant having fibrous root. Monocotyledon plants having fibrous root. Taproot having primary root, secondary root, and tertiary root. Primary root having tap root having primary roots, secondary root and tertiary root. As well as on a tap root, the root cap is there, and due to that one root cap, the root cap give protection to root tip and other part of the root. And which one the fibrous roots are there? This one cannot be differentiated into primary root, secondary root and the tertiary root. This one immediately grow after the below the stem. This one immediately grow below the stem. Okay, and in that one also the adventitious roots is there. Okay, and some modifier roots, example we can see this one area root, stellate root, runners are there, then breathing roots are there. And this one breathing root means the region where the more quantity of water is there as well as mud is there. In Marathi we can say daldal. In that one region such a type of roots are grow for taking air. And the main function of root is to give support as well as anchoring of plant and to absorb water and minerals from the soil, Okay, all of you understood? Then the next part means stem, leaves. About that one we can take the information in next lecture. Now you have to read this lesson carefully and draw these one figures in your notebook. Plumule means this one the formation of root, then tap root and fibrous root figure. Okay, thank you.